Hey guys, it's me. I'm just unloading the dishwasher. Yeah. That was my brother.
It went all the way over there.
He's been doing that the whole time I've been unloading the dishwasher. Oh, there's a little Darthvader say ow.
You have failed me for the last time.
Wow.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
Wait, no, you didn't put my face. Ow. You hurt my eye.
Well then.
It will destroy you.
Oh, just the little tiny midget child is gonna destroy me.
I'm gonna win now.
Oh yeah, he's trying to dress up like David Tennant. Take the mask off, child.
Impressive. Most impressive.
See, it's funny, he has like this suit and he has like a coat, like a trench coat, but it's a black suit and a gray coat. And he's wearing a bow tie because he likes bow ties now. Thank you, Matt Smith. Anyway, so yeah, I actually went to the Louisville Comic Con and it was really fun. And I got to meet Matt Smith, and yeah, it was cool because, I mean, okay, he said hi to me and I know his name. That qualifies as me meeting him. Yep, okay. Yeah. Anyway, we're moving this weekend, literally. And so yeah, check out some other things that are made by me, except for my first video. That's terrible. Terrible video, and you probably should delete it from YouTube, but a lot of people already see it. It's actually got a dislike, which 4 people have watched it that I know of, so kind of confused on how that happened.
I'm not naked.
He even has sideburns.
Most impressive.
Wait. Don't ever watch videos from her.
That's my little brother.
Her.
Oh, bite your finger off, little boy.
You can't.
Anyway, he
It's
doesn't
invincible.
like me very much. So, anyway, kick. See you guys next time.